Sticks and stones, breaking bones, but hey, just make me stronger. Damn, picking up that tech, I need every dollar. Big bro, keep them sticks, you would've thought that nigga Harry Potter. She wet like water, cause I slaughter like we filming horror. Like I'm Connor, I be proper, I feel like a scholar. That's him. This a sticker, put your hands up, I want everything. I need it all, ain't no ifs, ands, ain't no in between. This shit not a game, just not what it seems.
Good morning, everybody. Today's the big day. All right, today's the big day. We are going to go get some hogs. It'll be my first time, and I'm just about ready. Got some long pants on. You know, gonna be in the brush. On no poison ivy scrubbing on your legs or whatever. You know, got my boots on just in case. But yeah, I'm ready. I got all my stuff here. Let me show you guys what I got going on over here, huh? So, this is what we are using today. Trusty old AK-47. Built her from scratch a couple years ago. Very nice, very nice. I'm gonna put some rounds through a hog. Specific rounds that I'm going to be using today are Hornady SST rounds. These are super shock tips, polymer tips, great for hog hunting. I got their last box of 50 for $35. I came up. I'm going to most likely be using the Alienware mag that I have. Pretty badass. Pretty badass. Check them boys out. If you are wondering who they are, that's their logo right there. Alienware. But yeah, that's the setup today. I'm gonna be with the guys. And I'm gonna have a blast. Got my extra GoPro batteries that I ordered from Amazon with the charger and all. Oh, let me show y'all these rounds so y'all can see what I'm popping off today. Pull these out the box. Show you guys a little polymer tip round real quick. Look at those bad boys. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's gonna do the trick. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then I'll meet you guys in my boy Alex's crib so I can show you guys how ugly he is. So I'll be back soon. Bro, listen, if shit hit the fan, I'm ready to go. I know how to survive out here.
They go there different every day.
I'll be here with the kids all night, so who are you with? Is Pablo going with you or no?
No, a couple of the guys from the shop.
Well, tell them to buy their beer from fucking Jessica.
Okay, it's beers and turn 4.
Beers and turn 4.
Tell her to meet us in the back of the toast so we don't have to wait on the line.
So I said, me.
Illegal one.
Oh, okay. Say less. I have a bunch of videos with fully automatics. This looks like some definite backcountry shit right here.
Still fucking shit.
Yeah.
There's difference.
Where is it?
It's like, you know where Gatorama is on 27?
Yeah.
Just after that on the left. And the S turns up there.
Alright.
Then we're going to go to the racetrack and go check your boys out.
Alright, well, Jessica will be up there fucking in the beer tub. Turn 4.
Yeah, we about to get in here, y'all boys. Lightsey. here, y'all boys. Lightsey Family Ranch. Gonna hunt these hogs. Look at this shit. Looks great. That's the office right there. We're gonna go in there in a little bit. Look at my boy's truck. Nice. Beast. $3,500. Got the goodies in here, but he's also got some goodies too. I'm not gonna lie, he's got his goodies. We'll see what's up, man. We just got here. We're gonna get it in, setting up, waiting a little bit. Our appointment's at the 3. I think it's 2:30 right now, but we are gonna get active, y'all boys. Stay tuned, stay with me, man. Oh, there's gators in here. I just saw a gator in there. Look, look, look. If y'all can see, it's the wakes. There's a gator in there. Oh yeah, bro. This is gonna be lit, man. Stick with me, man. I'll be back. Oops.
This is how much it is per hog for a credit card. If you're paying with cash, like if someone decides to pay for the last few hogs with cash, it'll be $250 cash price.
Okay. What I want to do is, I paid this right here.
Yes, sir.
Can you put the remaining? I'm going to take care of 3 of them. I'm going to pay for 3 on my credit card.
Okay.
So just put whatever else the rest is on mine.
Okay.
And then there'll be one that has to pay for the
That's fire. Well, help me with the tip then.
David said it was too small.
That he put the large on. That shit made him look like he was He looked like he was holding his breath in. That's what I'm saying. Are we allowed to walk in here? Are you guys open? Are we allowed to be inside here? Okay. It's cool.
Fuck.
Yeah. Oh, the lion. Look, with the warthog. This dope. Got his kill right there. This is probably like, I think it's real. Taxidermy?
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure.
We're gonna have a hunting ranch.
Look at the turkeys on that bed. And they got the bear up top. Turkeys flying around. They're probably actually that size too. It's pretty cool. They're cleaning up right now. Get the gator. Yeah. Dope. Nice pool table. This looks nice. Inside there. Nice setup. They even got a gator in the table. The buggy's here? Yeah. Antlers.
He was actually falling down, Kenny, I believe, before he got the Luda check.
Look at that beard on that boy. That's fire. Oh man, let's get back out here. Wait for this buggy. Oh, we got the tracks on the floor. I didn't even peep. We got animal tracks on the floor.
Yeah, that's the bar.
It said straight to the bar? Yeah, straight to the bar. Oh man. You guys have a great day. What happened? Facts. Got that dirt road kicking up over there. You know we in the country. No, we're in the country. Yes, sir. Waiting on this buggy, dog. I'll be back.
Supposed to be recording.
Let's get it.
It's a AK.
Who, me? I got both of them in there, but I'm not using the AR.
I didn't know how to tell you if you shoot a hog and he runs away, you still have to pay for it.
Oh yeah. No, I ain't. I read that. I'm not doing that. Those bullets are too small.
I'm using fucking
That bad boy.
Big Daddy.
What's that?
I don't know what's in here. It's probably a shotgun.
What's that? Monsters in there.
Fucking use that 45-70. Fucking splack that thing. Shit.
Well, just know, guys, for whoever, like I was saying, for whoever ain't hunt a hog yet ever, me like me, this guy just told me, I'll tell you, if you gut shoot a hog, you still gotta pay for it.
Yeah, you're missing out.
Huh? Doing all right. Take my glasses off here so I can see it, man.
Shoot them up. I'll take care of these guys now, they're professional. Oh, you know it, man. Alright. Anybody need help with a gun?
I'm good.
Everybody's good? Yep. Best part about the job, man. I'm back and got a little dick. There ain't nothing you can say hurt my business. Don't worry about it.
I'll get the next one.
Oh, we're still live. We're still on. We're still on.
You can. It'll go either way, but this way's fine.
I didn't check.
Run. Left.
Ah, it's gone. I can't see it. I can't see it.
See him?
No? Yeah, I see him.
See him?
Hey, where is he? Yeah.
Hold on. Give it to him.
Where's he at? Did I get him? I hit him.
That son of a bitch is dead.
I hit him.
Right there. Pretty work.
Yeah, kind of. But get your pocket there. Come on, there. Let's get him. Yeah, we're gonna get you tonight.
Safety on?
Yeah.
Damn.
All right. That's mine. We out. Here we go. Oh, it's your turn now.
See how tight they lay with to let you just
Oh yeah, I'm gonna move it now. Yeah. Tight, real tight. I couldn't even see it. When I shot him, she was just like. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
I got all that shit. All that shit.
Yeah, so.
Hold on. You're gonna kill 2 or 3 with that gun.
Hold on, wait.
Around the front.
Alex, be careful.
Just put your gun up. Oh, too late. They're gone. Better hurry if you're gonna shoot.
Yeah. Get your kill, man. Get your kill, man. Let's go.
Very hard to see.
Oh, dead hog in the
I
water.
can hit that one.
Yep. Sorry. Oh, right there. How many? There's a whole bunch in there. There's a whole bunch in there. Shoot one right in the
Right in the head.
Right in the head. Right in the head. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my God. Go. Come on, Alex. Come on. Huh. Come around. Right in between the. That's a fatty. Oh.
A little more than a meat pig. Nah, fuck you. He did his on the done. You gotta get
Grab them both. Yeah, it's heavy, but grab that motherfucker.
You're gonna keep it slow, but it's not a huge pig.
Fling that bitch right up in there.
Can't do it, I promise. Yeah, I really can't.
Look at this.
I gotta get a little video of this him saying he can't do it. Your boy loading your shit up for you.
I can't lift
You pussy bitch motherfucker.
Make it look bad. I'm getting the heavy side with my strong hand. That's what we finna do. I don't need no help.
He don't need no help, he said. He said he doesn't need it. No. This is a one-man operation, Alex. Let the boy work at it. What are you doing with that pig, man?
Got it right in the fucking head.
It's good though. Good shit. I got that. That shit's heavy, dude. What the fuck? Dope. They put them shits on. That shit bangs.
I know it does. Cause you're like, hold on to that motherfucker. So I was like,
Keep your toes still.
getting video of that shit, Aaron?
Yeah, on here it's running. It's rolling. This don't ever turn off.
Solid.
Is he alive? Oh yeah, he was definitely alive. Now he's dead. Now he's dead. Come on, Junior.
Trophy.
There.
You got a knife?
Oh yeah.
Grab that back plate. The knife's in the boat. Alex, put your foot on that plate.
He's gone.
What kind of big hog hunt man don't even have a damn knife?
It's in the buggy. Make you throw my back out here.
He's a heavy
That's a
motherfucker.
motherfucking heavy one right there.
Big old heavy fucking head he's got.
Yeah.
He's a fucking body. Oh, don't let him fall out. You better have a strap. You got a strap? No, sir. Hey, Dad.
I don't see him. Is he
I don't
gonna
think
fall
he's
out?
gonna stay. What do you think? I can make him stay?
Just keep that.
Motherfucker out here don't want to send away.
Throw him on the floor and turn the buggy around. I'll fucking fix it.
Oh man, we all getting on some pigs right now, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Gangster.
Oh, there's another one alive down in the drink. That one right there is alive. Dude.
Oh, they're both alive.
Watch your face. I won't ever do that again. He was ready too fast. I couldn't stop him.
Grab my phone from down there.
I got you.
You always want to be.
That boy almost blew Junior's head off. What the fuck? That one, not that one. That, ooh,
One ahead.
The one in the
Hold on.
in the front. Yeah, put 'em on. Make sure, shoot the brown one, Gerardo. The one in the front.
the one in the front one.
Right in the
Get
front.
the front one.
Front one. That boy ass.
He's fucking running. Are you more comfortable with a scope?
No, I can see though.
Cap.
He's gonna come on out in front of us. Be ready.
Right there, right there.
Give it to him.
Gee, you see where you're shooting? You're not aiming at all, bro.
There he goes in front of you, Gerardo. In the bush to the right. To the right.
I'm gonna put it right on top of it. Hold on, he's taking another shot right in front of the buggy. When he goes through that opening, give it to him. Give it.
Oh, there you go.
Shoot him, shoot him.
Gotta finish him with your knife. Go get him.
Come on, Gerardo. I'm coming with you, bro. Huh. Here, Gerardo. All-star blade of the day. There he goes.
I can grab the head.
By the what?
Yeah.
Shot him right in his ass.
That was the first shot earlier.
Oh, he did hit him.
Yep.
Oh.
Awesome. You hit them and stuff. That's what we good at it.
You didn't do it. All right, grab your little fucking pig and load him up. Fucking wimpy ass. Put him on this other side. That was pretty cool. He did shoot him in the ass earlier. I thought that.
That's how you throw a hog in the motherfucking crate. Yeah.
Boy, Joe, that's a big one.
Yeah, we do. There we go. We all got on the hog. Boy smoking cigarette.
I asked first.
They
They weren't all that way.
Shit, that shit on purpose means challenge. Put it off, buddy.
Showcasing that.
Yeah, look at
It's a
that.
big fucking
You gotta
one,
keep that, put that bitch on a chain. Watch that shit.
Underneath of my little cocaine fucking holder.
Look at that truck though. That shit's badass. Where's the all-star of the day? Look at that. Put this motherfucker to use too. I'm gonna take a picture of this and send it to Lewis.
Skin pretty easily. I was actually surprised.
Look at that.
You guys want a drink? Yeah.
Shit, what? Yeah, you can't take it off before then.
I don't know. I know it's you got to put it back in because they'll make it a titleless truck, so they'll get rid of the title or you have to put it back in. Big bitch. Want a hand?
Yeah, let's just spin them around where we can see their faces. That was y'all, one of y'all.
Yeah.
That's a good bastard, is what he is. He's a stinking motherfucker. That's the most expensive hog of the day.
That one? Yeah.
Yeah, it got
What?
well, some bird shot and a lot of buckshot, maybe.
Whose phone?
You can use mine.
Yeah, because my phone's about to die. Dang, Alex.
Let me see where I shot him. Man, yours is weak.
It's fine. Got that shit nice and right.
Oh, yours was rough.
Yeah. Mine's been shot before. That's wicked.
All right, fellas.
I don't want that.
So now you gotta hang
I'll
out
take
by
a
your
couple from each angle just because of the way the sun is and shit right now.
Look at the cutters on Alex.
That's a good motherfucker, I'm telling you.
That's cool, Alex. The one with the cutters is sweet.
Want to hold yours up?
You can't even, you
By
couldn't
the
even
ears?
pick it up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm trying
Grab
to do with
his ears.
yours. Grab his ears, bro. Don't be a bitch.
I got one ear missing.
Well, grab one ear then and let him get down there. Get on your knee.
It's missing. The other one's
Lift
right
it
there.
up.
That nigga's ear is literally missing.
Hold the other ear. Get in there and get your pig facing the right angle. You got a good pig with it, with the teeth, man. That's cool.
Y'all got some badass grills.
Let me do it.
Some badass grills.
Let me do that shit.
I would like to pull mine out for you.
There you go.
That's how I'm gonna do this shit.
Get a picture of that. It'd be cool. It's good. Cool.
This shit's fat.
Grab me by that. Go that way. I got Javardo. I got G.
This one got 2 too.
Yeah, I got some covered.
There's my hog right here. Look at that. 762 put a gnarly fucking hole in his ass. He broke his spine. Yes, sir.
Thank you all so much for coming out tonight. Congratulations, you got a t-shirt here tonight. Race fan, the final preliminary event of the night for the Outlaws coming at you loud and fast.
Alright, y'all boys, it's the next day and I'm here back at work, back to regular scheduled programming. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a blast hunting those hogs. Got some nice hog meat in the freezer ready to go. You guys know the vibes, man. It was great. Lightsey Family Ranch was a great place for my first hog hunt. I cannot lie. The guide was amazing. The place is so nice. organized. The lobby was great. It's sad that I think the restaurant was closed at the time, I think, or they were cleaning or doing like a shift or something. It would have been pretty cool to eat there. Like I said, it's not gonna be my last time. I'm going back. But you guys turn on those notification bells so you guys know when I drop another video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to it, man. Greatness to come. Y'all be safe. Stay dangerous.